Oh, oh, where are you going? Hey, listen, if I'm going to take the time to teach you how to do all this stuff, then you get your butt back out in that garage. And then you smash the subscribe and like button because I'm an awesome guy and I like to give free information. So you should do me a favor. But don't be walking away. We got things to learn today and to fix. So you better go grab your tools and get out in that garage right now. Right now. What are you waiting for? Go. Jeez. Hey guys, don't forget I make a lot of content with motorcycles, not just the Hawk videos, but I make tons. I have over 3,000 videos posted over the years. I make a ton of Hawk content. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, show some love, join my membership program, support me, man. I don't have to do this. I do it because, number one, I like to. It's fun. It's a great hobby. But I have tons of knowledge to share with you guys to simplify your life and save you a bunch of money. And all I ask is that you scratch my back too. If you want to donate, there's ways to do that. It's really simple, but please give back to the channel if it's giving to you. It means a lot. Thanks, guys. These things vibrate a lot. Today I want to show you the biggest one that vibrates. This thing. This thing vibrates an ungodly amount. So on the back side here, you can see back there, there's a pin. Pull that pin, pop that washer off there, right? And then we're going to pull this one off right here. I'm going to grab my multi-tool. We're going to pull this guy off real fast. There we go. There's a washer on there. Let's pop that washer off. There we go. Now we can pop that rivet out, and that allows us to swing this up, and we can pull this out. Right? If we have to, we can undo that spring. Again, only if I have to, I'm going to undo it. I'd rather not. We'll see if we can just pop it out as is. Should be able to. Yes. Okay. So how do we solve this? You know, it's like these things are just so damn noisy, and you can see how much space this has to slide on front and rear. That's a lot of space. So on your bike, you have all these rubber push tabs. You can actually order those, and they work really, really well for stuff like this. You can actually stretch these things out and pop them over stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is stretch 2 of these out. Okay. I'll grab the 2 larger ones that I have. We'll stretch 2 of these out. I'll pop them over there, and then we'll slide that back in, and we will cut out a lot of that noise that this bike is making. And that way it holds that a lot better. It will still function properly, and it'll cut out all that extra noise that we're getting. So let me stretch 2 of these out. We're going to use a pair of needle nose. I'm just going to reverse needle nose, pry this open, and yeah, I'll show you what that looks like and then how it sounds afterwards. So to show you reverse needle nose, you grab these, put them on there, and you spread them apart until you stretch this as wide as you can, and then you just slide it right over the top of that while it's stretched. So let me do one real fast, and I'll show you what that looks like. God, my autofocus is being really crazy today and doesn't want to focus on this stuff. So let me knock this out real quick. Now, it would appear that we only need the one, and you're going to have to push it a little tight, but as you can see the spacer in there now, there's a rubber spacer in between there now, back there. So we just have to push this in far enough so we can get the washer over it and put the pin back through it, and this should be nice and tight, and it shouldn't make noises anymore. So let me finish this up. And so there you go. As you can see, it has a rubber mount in between there now. So this won't make nearly the amount of noise that it was making. You still get a little bit of a click because obviously it still has play back here, which if I really wanted to, I guess I could squeeze that prong closer and pop one of these smaller ones on there, cut one in half and put one of those on there just as a spacer to kind of cut some of that noise out. But we'll see how it does. Like I said, that's a huge overall improvement. This has no more play back and forth. So all that zingy stuff that you're getting from this now will be completely cut out. So rubber, pin on the back, washer back through it, nice and tight, still activates perfectly without issue. That'll cut a lot of that chingy, chattery zing, 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 zing at the higher RPMs completely out. So quick way to solve that. These motorcycle body panel push tabs. You can order them on eBay. They're really, really cheap. So anyways, there you go. That solves that problem right there. Good to go.